Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, I am going to seal my painting with this waterproof spray. This spray is very easy to use and is not expensive. So just give it a try, explore and experiment. The first step is clean the surface. Make sure no dirt or any dust on top of the painting. And then I can start to spray. As you can see, I did spray 2 times. It can be dry very fast and the results looks good, but it does not give a shiny effect just for protection because it is very important to seal our paintings. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time.